Hey guys, ready for this week's treadmill class? Um, so get on the treadmill. I want you at base pace for 5 minutes for our warm up. And it's an easy pace for conversation. So let me go ahead and start my timer. And we'll start with 5 minutes warm up. Combination of kind of a little speed and hill training this week as well for class. And we'll get into that as you got into 4 minutes of warm up, and then I'll briefly explain what we're going to be doing today. I'm back. All right, we just got a couple more minutes left. One more minute. So we're going to just challenge you a little for this next minute coming up. I'm going to have you go at keep the speed the same, but you're going to go up to 5% for just 1 minute. I'm going to give you a little recovery, 1 minute recovery, and then we're going to move on to adding a little speed and incline on each of the next 4 minutes after that. So try to keep the speed at base pace. It's going to take maybe 10, 15 seconds for it to get up to 5%, and then you'll maintain that and then I'll bring you back down to base pace for recovery. All right, so let's go ahead and take it to 5%. And I'm going to have you stay there for 1 minute, starting now. "15 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down to 0% and leave it at base pace. So when we start the next minute, you're going to be at 1%, and we're going to increase the speed 0.5 every 15 seconds. Then the next minute, you're going to be at 2, next minute at 3, next minute at 4, and each time we're just going to add 0.5. 30 seconds. Three, two, one, and let's add, I can't remember. Gotta give you recoveries now. Right, 5, 6. No, I think we did give you a recovery already. So I'm going to give you 1 more minute. Sorry. I'm sure you're not too upset about an extra minute recovery. All right, let's begin. Next 4 minutes, you're going to start at 1%. So take it to 1% and add 0.5 to base pace. So you're at base pace plus 0.5. These will be 0.5 increments going up. All right, add 0.5. Good, add 0.5. And add 0.5. All right, let's take it to 2% incline and go back down to 0.5 above base pace. We're on minute 2. This is a pattern we're going to repeat a few more times. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. and add 0.5. Next minute, you'll be at 3%. So go to 3% and take it back down to 0.5 above base pace. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. We have one more after this that will be at 4%. All right, take it to 4% and go to 0.5 above base pace. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. 15 seconds. At the end, we'll go back down to 0% and base pace for 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. 0% base pace, 2 minutes. You have 1 more minute on recovery. And then what I'm going to have you do is take the treadmill up to 6%, run for 1 minute, and then I'll bring you back down to base pace for a minute to recover. And we're going to repeat that incremental speed and incline interval that we did. All right, let's go ahead and take it up to 6% incline. Give it a few seconds to get up there. All right, and we'll stay here for 1 minute. 6% base pace. Twenty more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back down to 0%. And base pace, you'll stay here for 2 minutes. I mean, for a minute. 1 minute. Okay, let's go ahead and raise it to 1% incline. And I want you to add 0.5 to speed in 3, 2, 1 at 0.5. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And last time, add 0.5. All right, go ahead and raise it to 2% and go back down to 0.5 above base pace. Minute 2. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. All right, let's go up to 3% and go back down to 0.5 above base pace. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. All right, go back down to 0.5 above base pace and take it up to 4%. This is our last minute. I'll give you 2 minutes to recover and we have one more interval to get through. You're at 4% and 1.5 above base pace. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. 15 seconds. Then I give you a big 2-minute recovery. in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 0% base pace, 2 minutes. Ugh. Excuse me. Just filling up my water jug. Trying to drink a gallon of water a day. And I finished early today. What is it? 3 o'clock and I'm already done. It's a lot of water. All right, we have 1 more minute of recovery. So when we start on the next minute, we're going to do 1 minute at 7% incline at base pace. All right, we got about 30 more seconds. And let's go ahead and take it up to 7%. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. Thirty seconds. I'll give you 1 minute recovery at base pace 0%. 20 more seconds. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 0% base pace. And we're going to go through that cycle 4 minutes. 1 more time through. All right, let's take the treadmill to 1% and go ahead and add 0.5 to speed, 1 minute. We're going to add 0.5 each 15 seconds. 0.5 above base right now. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. Let's take it to 2% and go back down to 0.5 above base. Minute 2. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5. And let's take it to 3% and go back down to 0.5 above base. 3%, 0.5 above base. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. All right, take it to 4% and go back down to 0.5 above base. Here's our last minute. Add 0.5. Add 0.5. And add 0.5, 15 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Base pace, 0% incline, 1 minute. All right, I want you to bring your speed down 1.0, whole mile per hour. Bring it down. I want you to bring your pace down to 3.0. You should be at a nice, comfortable walking pace. So that's our 30-minute class for this week. Go ahead if you need another couple of minutes to walk it out. Get your heart rate back down. Don't forget, spend a couple of minutes stretching afterwards. and you're all set to go. All right, we'll see you next week, guys. Bye.